Hello friends and welcome to Mehru's Mysteryland. Mehru is back with another chapter. Get ready to flex your mental muscles as we are diving into the fresh batch of general knowledge questions all about the United Kingdom. There are 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium and hard, and you have 8 seconds for each question to answer. But before starting, hit that subscribe button. And let's begin. Easy. What is the capital of the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option B, London. Who is the second queen of the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option A, Elizabeth II. What is the national flower of England? The correct answer is option A, rose. Which river runs through London? Correct answer is option A. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Correct answer is option A, William Shakespeare. What is the famous clock tower in London called? Correct answer is option C, Big Ben. What is the name of the London Underground system? The correct answer is option B, Tube. What is the currency of United Kingdom? The correct answer is option B. It's pound sterling. What is the traditional Scottish instrument? Correct answer is option A, bagpipes. What is the national animal of Scotland? The correct answer is option A. Which famous university is located in Cambridge? Option C, Cambridge University. Who was a Prime Minister during the World War II? The correct answer is option A. What is the highest mountains in the British Isles? Correct answer is option A. What is the name of the residence of the British Prime Minister? Correct answer is option B. Who wrote the Harry Potter series? Correct answer is option A, J.K. Rowling. What is the traditional Welsh costume called? Correct answer is option C. Which city is known as the second city of the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option B, Birmingham. What is the name of the largest Ferris wheel on the south bank of the Thames in London? Correct answer is option A, London Eye. What is the patron saint of England? Correct answer is option A, St. George. What is the name of the famous stone circle? The correct answer is option A. Who composed the music for the Nutcracker? The correct answer is option A. What is the name of the national anthem of the United Kingdom? Correct answer is option A. God Save the Queen. Which monarch was known as the Virgin Queen? Correct answer is option A. Elizabeth I. Which Scottish scientist is credited with the invention of the telephone? Correct answer is option A. Alexander Graham Bell. In which year did the Great Fire of London take place? The correct answer is option A. 1666. Which British actor played the character James Bond in the movie Casino Royale? The correct answer is option A. Who is the current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option C. Rishi Sunak. Which British band released the album The Dark Side of the Moon? The correct answer is option B. What is the name of the famous street in London known for its luxury shops? The correct answer is option C. Which English city is famous for its annual Shakespeare Festival? The correct answer is option A. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option A. What is the traditional dish consisting of sausages, mashed potatoes, and onion gravy? The correct answer is option C. Which British author wrote the novel 1984? The correct answer is option A. George Orwell. What is the name of the British Space Agency? The correct answer is option C. This Scottish city is known as the Athens of the North. Correct answer is option B. What is the name of the largest lake in the United Kingdom by surface area? The correct answer is option B. Who was a British monarch during the American Revolution? The correct answer is option A. George III. Which English city is famous for its annual carnival celebration? The correct answer is option C. The Scottish clan is associated with red, green, and black pattern. The correct answer is option B. Campbell. What is the name of the London football club known as the Gunners? The correct answer is option B. Who was the architect of St. Paul's Cathedral in London? Correct answer is option A. What is the name of the oldest university in English-speaking world? The correct answer is option B, Oxford University. Which British monarch was known as the Sailor King? The correct answer is option B, George IV. What is the name of the medieval fortress in the city of London? Correct answer is option A, Tower of London. Which British city is famous for its annual Fringe Festival? Correct answer is option A. What is the name of the mythical sword associated with King Arthur? The correct answer is option A. Who is the patron saint of Wales? The correct answer is option A, St. David. Which English city is home to the biggest toy museum? The correct answer is option B, Liverpool. What is the name of the famous street circle where the British Grand Prix is held? Correct answer is option A, Silverstone. Who wrote the novel Pride and Prejudice? The correct answer is option B, Jane Austen. What is the name of the Scottish Parliament building? Correct answer is option C. Which British monarch was known as the Merry Monarch? It's option B, Charles II. What is the name of the famous British naturalist who wrote The correct answer is option A, Charles Darwin. Which British city is known for its annual royal horse racing event? It's option B, Ascot. What is the name of the palace in London that serves the official residence of the royals? The correct answer is option B, Buckingham Palace. Who composed the music for the opera The Barber of Seville? The correct answer is option C. What is the name of the ship that brought the pilgrims to Mecca in 1620? The correct answer is option A, Mayflower. Which British city is known for its historical castle and association with the legend of Robin Hood? The correct answer is option A. What is the name of the famous English scientist who formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation? The correct answer is option A, Isaac Newton. Who wrote the novel Wuthering Heights? The correct answer is option A. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more fun videos like this. Good luck.